In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enter transactions in GnuCash. Begin by opening GnuCash on your computer. Once the program loads, open your existing GnuCash file so you can access your accounts and registers. After your file is open, go to the Accounts tab. This is where you can view the list of accounts in your file, such as checking, savings, credit card, or expense accounts. Next, double-click the account where you want to record the transaction. This will open that account register, where individual transactions are entered and stored. In the register, move to the next empty transaction line, which is usually located at the bottom. This is where you will begin entering the new transaction. Start by entering the transaction date. Make sure the date matches the actual date of the payment, deposit, or transfer you are recording. After that, type a clear description of the transaction. This could be the name of a store, a company, or a short note that helps you identify the entry later. Now move to the transfer field. In this field, select or type the account that this transaction is connected to. For example, if you are recording a grocery purchase from your checking account, you might choose a food or grocery expense account. If you are transferring money between two bank accounts, choose the other account involved in the transfer. Once the transfer account is set, enter the amount of the transaction in the correct payment, deposit, debit, or credit column, depending on the type of account and the kind of transaction you are recording. Be sure the amount is entered carefully so your balances remain accurate. If you want to include extra details, you can also add a memo or reference number. This is useful for things like check numbers, invoice references, or short notes that provide more context for the transaction. When all the fields are complete, press Enter to record the transaction. GnuCash will save the entry into the register and update the account balance. Take a moment to review the updated balance and make sure the transaction appears correctly. This helps you catch any mistakes right away. Finally, save your GnuCash file to make sure your changes are stored. Saving regularly is a good habit and helps protect your records from being lost. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.